What if your next design project could be done in half the time and still look twice as creative? Not with templates or shortcuts, but with real AI design tools that help you brainstorm faster, edit smarter, and design like a pro. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I use AI in my design workflow. We'll start with a real-world example, go over key concept, and then build a design using AI step by step. Let's say you have just landed a freelance gig for a new eco-friendly skincare brand called Pure Leaf Botanicals. They want you to design a minimalist social media post and a product mock-up, something that feels fresh, modern, and nature-inspired. You could open Photoshop, start from scratch, scroll through phones and stock photos for hours, but instead you turn to AI-powered design tools. You use a generative AI tool to create a few variations in the concept. Then you enhance the chosen image with a graphic design AI that auto-corrects lighting and balance. You run layout suggestions through a UI assistant and boom, in less than 30 minutes, you have got 3 polished options ready for client review. That's the power of AI-driven design. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. So how does AI actually support you in that creative flow? Well, this brings us to the core idea, AI-driven design. AI-driven design means using artificial intelligence technologies like machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing to support and enhance the design process. It helps designers to automate repetitive tasks, generate creative suggestions, analyze data to guide decisions, and deliver better, faster, and more consistent results. And the best part, these tools aren't just for experts. With the right approach, even a beginner can take full advantage. Let's see how AI is transforming the creative workflow. Now that you understand what AI-driven design is and what it brings to the table, let's look at how it's actually changing the way we work as designers. There are 5 key ways AI is reshaping how we design. 1. Automation. It takes care of repetitive design tasks like resizing, alignment, and basic edits. 2. Data analysis. AI scans large data sets to find patterns that help you make informed design choices. 3. Generative design. AI tools can instantly create multiple design options based on your input. 4. User experience optimization. By analyzing user interaction data, AI helps refine UX for smoother, more effective designs. 5. Collaboration and co-creation. AI supports real-time collaboration between designers, accelerating idea generation and iteration. Let's walk through a project step by step to see how this works in action. Step 1. Generate design concepts. We begin with a generative tool. Input minimalist product ad for skincare, green tones, clean layout, modern type. In seconds, you have several beautiful concept visuals to choose from. Step 2. Edit and refine automatically. Next, you drop your selected image into an AI-based editing tool. You remove the background, enhance color balance, apply a subtle brand aesthetic filter. All done within seconds. No layers or manual tweaks needed. Step 3. Layout and typography suggestions. Now move to a layout tool. You add the brand's tagline and let AI recommend front pairings, spacing and alignment, button placement for CTA. The design adapts to mobile screen sizes automatically, thanks to AI layout optimization. Step 4. Final polish and UX review. Finally, we simulate how users might view and respond to the post. The AI gives visual attention heat maps and suggests minor shifts in hierarchy or spacing to improve clarity. You adjust, export, and deliver confidently. And this is just the beginning. In our full course, you will go deeper into every part of the AI design process. You will explore the foundations of AI and its real potential in creative design. How AI is transforming workflows through automation, generative creativity, and smarter UX. Essential tools and technologies like machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing, and how they apply to design. How to use AI in real design projects from concept to completion. Critical ethical considerations like bias, data protection, transparency, and human-centered design. And the future of AI in design, including human-AI collaboration, adaptive design, and sustainable creative practices. All broken down into simple, beginner-friendly lessons, so you can start applying them right away. Ready to level up your creative process? Click the link in the description to join the course. Design faster, think smarter, and let AI help you do your best work.